All right, students, so this is part of the BWA review that you did in class. When you have an equation like this, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a line down the middle to distinguish both sides. Then you notice you cover one side and ignore it completely and focus on this one and do all the simplification you can. In this case, we need to do distributive property. So we do that. We distribute the 4 into the parentheses. Nothing happened to this. It's not part of the distribution. It's only this right here. That's the only thing that is being multiplied. So I bring this down. Still covering this side and ignoring it, I ask, am I done simplifying? Here I see two things that can be combined because they are like terms. The 4x and the negative 5x because they both have x's. Now they're in the same side, so all you do is put them together, combine them, add them. 4x minus 5x gives me negative 1x. Rewrite the other side that I've been ignoring just so I can keep track of it. This, now it's all the way simplified. Now I'm going to look at the other side and ignore this one. This one I ignore, I look at this side. There's nothing I have to do on this side. It's already simplified all the way. So now I'm going to look at the whole thing again and see if there are variables that are not in the same team. So here I see this x right here and that one right there. And they're in different teams. So what I need to do next is put them in the same team. So I'm going to circle the one I want to move. I want to move this one. So I'm going to circle it and put an arrow to show that I'm going to move it to the other side so it's in the same team. Since this is minus 1x, the only two operations to move teams are minus or plus or add or subtract. So this is minus 1x. To get rid of it or to move it to the other side, I'm going to do plus 1x. And what I do to one side, I do to the other one. This here zeroes out. I still have the 8 there. If I don't see a number in front of a letter, it's an invisible one. So I'm going to put it 1 plus 1. 2x, and the 12 is still there. Now I'm at the two-step equation, or the party that we call it. I still don't have x alone. It's here, right? My goal is to have it alone. I want to have x equals at the end. So I need to get rid of the junk that's next to it. First, I'm going to get rid of the number that does not have the letter. The one that has the letter is at the end. So I'm going to do minus 12 to get rid of it. The opposite, minus 12. I have 2x here, 8 minus 12. Remember, different signs, we subtract and keep the sign of the largest. So negative 4. The last step here, the letter is together with the number. So to split them, I divide. Divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. And that's the answer to that one.